Looking for a reliable thermometer for your family? Meet Good Baby Thermometer. Reason 1. It's clinically tested for fast, accurate temperature readings. Reason 2. Easy to use. Just point and press for instant results. Reason 3. Versatile. Measures both forehead and object temperatures. Perfect for all ages, from infants to elders and even room checks. Features a smart chip for quick, precise 1-second measurements. Enjoy the convenience of a large backlit screen with color-coded alerts. Silent mode ensures you won't disturb sleeping kids during checks. Lightweight, portable, and ergonomically designed for easy handling. Comes with a 12-month replacement warranty and 24/7 customer support. Ready for accurate no-touch temperature checks? Get yours today. Click the link now and experience hassle-free temperature monitoring. Find the product link in the description.